I'll go right
I
after.
think another thing too is when I think about messaging and you choosing the right partner or vendor to help kind of help you with that. Another group that we used to work with was Jumo Health, and I love what they did because it was a nice way of creating visuals and also well, not only just with video but also with actual physical documents that you could actually use that found a way to really highlight who you're trying to communicate to. And when you think about how do you talk about clinical trials, you have to first start off with what the disease is, right, or the condition.
Correct.
You have to help them to understand here's what this disease is, here are the condition, the symptoms, what you should be doing, the type of therapies that are out there, so that the person can actually get that information first before they go in and say, let me participate. I think the other thing with it too is when you think about data, and this is a big deal, and we've talked about this before, Dan, when we talk about how do you use real world data.
Hmm.
And a lot of people say, oh, we'll just go partner with a Komodo or Health Verity and some of these other guys, and they'll show us where the patients are. To a certain extent, yes, but there are a lot of patients who don't have proper access to healthcare. And it's not just them getting to a doctor, it's that, hey, you have a lot of people like myself who've gone to a doctor, who've explained what we're having, and we've been dismissed, or you were misdiagnosed. So now you've got the wrong billing code, the ICD-10 code that everybody likes
Hmm.
to use. And then what happens? I'm not showing up in that data dump or pool that you had to say, hey, here's a potential patient. So you still don't even get to me. So you have to even think before that as an industry, how do you get people to even know what they're dealing with to be able to say a clinical trial is an option for them?